Hey everyone, struggling with AnyDebrid files that won't open or seem corrupted? Don't worry, I've got you covered with quick fixes in this guide. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the issue. AnyDebrid is a premium link generator for downloading files from hosting sites, but sometimes files don't work. Either they're corrupted or won't open. Many users have reported this, so here's what you can do. Step 1 is verify the source. Before blaming AnyDebrid, download the file directly from the original host, like Keep2Share or RapidGator, if possible. And if it's corrupt there, the issue isn't AnyDebrid, it's the file itself. Reviews on sites like Trustpilot mention AnyDebrid files often seem fake or padded with junk data, so let's try fixing it. Step 2, try a file repair tool. For archives like RAR or zip, use software like WinRAR repair function or 7-zip. Open the file, select repair, and save it to a new location. This can sometimes salvage a damaged archive. Step 3, clear your browser cache. Corrupted downloads can happen due to connection issues. Clear your cache, restart your browser, and generate the link again. Also use a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Still no luck? Some users suspect AnyDebrid generates dummy files to push ads based on Reddit and Trustpilot feedback. If you're hitting dead ends, consider alternatives like RealDebrid or JDownloader for more reliable downloads. Bonus tip, always scan downloaded files with antivirus software because safety first. That's it guys, check the source, repair the file, clear your cache, or switch devices if needed. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and let me know your experience in the comments. See you next time.